Here is the 2010 to 2015 Hyundai Tucson. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Let's go ahead and get started. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not on the front doors, and you have to activate this feature individually on each of the rear door. For now, just open up the left side door and right there you'll find the switch. You just gotta push your right to activate the feature. So push your right and now it's activated. Let's go inside the car and try this out. Now no matter what I do, I should not be able to open the door from inside, and I cannot. But guess what I can do is just open up the right side door because we did not activate the feature there. Now even while the feature is activated, I can always open the door from outside. So open up the left side door and just push that switch back to its original position. Push it back and now it's deactivated. Let's go inside the car and try it out. I should be able to open the door from inside now, and that is good. Let's repeat this process for the right side one. Exact same everything, except you gotta push it left over here to activate the feature. And now again, I should not be able to open the door from inside. But again, the left side door, we deactivated it. So I can get out from there, open the door, deactivate the feature here, and let's try this out. Now I should be able to open the door, and I can. So it's important to make sure that if you have a child in the back that you activate this feature on both the doors individually, so that way the child cannot just like slide over and open the other door if it's not activated there. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it useful.